What is going on, everybody? It's Jamie, and welcome to the channel, Thrift-Onfire. Today, we're going to pull some orders from eBay, Depop, and Poshmark. It's going to be eBay heavy, though, because I'm running sales, and sales are starting to pick up on eBay. Hopefully, in the next couple of videos, you see a lot more eBay sales going out. I think I'm running a 30% off sale, a 20% off sale, and a 10% off sale on my store, my main store. Currently, I'm also going to talk a little bit here in the first round of order pulls about a return I got recently, item not described. I feel like this one was a little bit of a scammy return. I'll tell you how I dealt with it. Let me know if anything like this has happened to you recently. And yeah, let's get into this one. Let's pull some orders. Let's start it off today with some eBay orders. A fossil wallet. I picked this up at the Goodwill bin, so I wouldn't have paid much for this. Wound up taking about $16 for it. I think $15.90 some cents. Little hearts on it. Nothing special. You're going to see a lot of this Band-Aid today. It's holding my thumb together. I cut it with a kitchen knife just last night. I think I'm going to actually, obviously we sold the wallet. I think I'm actually going to take some super glue and glue my thumb back together. There's like a little flap that's annoying, which is why I have to keep it covered up at the moment. But so I apologize for the Band-Aid, but we did sell this wallet here for $15.96 exactly. Next on eBay, we sold a Hurley hat. It should be in this bin over here. $15 US for this one. I assume it's in here. It's a blue hat. Shouldn't be too hard to find. It's Detroit. Let's see. Down here. So we dig around and try to find this hat. Looks like it's right here. It is sort of like a mesh style running hat. Had this for a little while. I believe this came from the big used hats by the pound, so I bought a big pallet full of used hats. I think that's where this guy came from. $15 on that one. Next, we have a Callaway head cover. I think it's a set of 4. I picked this up at Goodwill for about $4. I think the whole set was exactly that, $4 and change. Right up here. See if we try not to pull the whole thing down. Should be 4 of them all together. I think I grabbed 3. I think there's one more in there. Yeah, it's right there, a little small one. All right, yeah, I think $50 US for the set. I don't typically see these in my Goodwill. These are like brand new. I did sell them as used, all 4 of them. We did get $50 for them. I think that's pretty good, to be honest. Next, a CED, so a video disc. I got a story about a different one here in a second. This is Pee-wee. I did take an offer, $27 USD on this one.
Thanks a lot, dudes.
I hope you're playing your bike, man.
I just had an eBay case opened up about one of these. Somebody got Star Wars, the second one that I sold. Yeah. They had taken the top off here, and the insert that pulls out was broken, and the disc was missing. I'm pretty sure, I can't be sure, because I know I didn't look to make sure the disc was in there when I shipped it out, but when I listed them, I made sure the discs were in there because I didn't list just an empty case, because I knew it was a possibility they could be empty. They said that there was no disc, and the insert inside was broken. They sent me a picture of the broken insert and no disc. Obviously wanted a refund or a return. I contacted eBay. They said I could offer a partial refund or take a return and open some sort of case. I decided just to refund the buyer and block them. I don't know if you've had anything like that where somebody blatantly, the person is like, it's not a brand new account. It's a one feedback account. They've had it for a while, since 2020, but I'm pretty sure they're trying to scam me on this for whatever reason. I don't know why. I definitely would not sell just a case and pretend that the disc and everything else is in there, but whatever. It was like $20, $21, $22. I just refunded them. It was definitely annoying. Next though, so yeah, we sold Pee-wee. $27 was what I was really supposed to tell you about, and then I went on a little tangent about my return or item not described case that just was opened up this past week. Okay, so next, a Blue Jays t-shirt. This is a 1993, I think, World Series shirt. Supposed to be in the VH down here. This one, I think we got 20, I'll throw it up on screen here, about $23, I think. So close that drawer while I'm over here as well. See if we can find it. See 3 doors down. I see another white with a blue stripe. This is it right here. J shirt right here. A really cool shirt. I was hoping to get a little bit more, but you know, I'm trying to move stuff out, so you know, it is what it is, and we're gonna get this guy out of here. Another round of eBay orders, and we're after a pair of black Sauconys. I've got a couple different pairs here, so let's see if we can find the right ones. These are leather, so that's not it. They are an all black pair. These Cohesion 12s, I think that's how you pronounce that. Could be wrong. Yeah, I don't know. Regardless, 20 bucks USD. I don't remember where I got these ones. Probably Goodwill. Probably paid $7 Canadian, turning that into 25 USD. Not too bad. I've had these a little while. I feel like I got them at Goodwill. I could be wrong, but yeah, not bad. A card here. I took $6.70 USD, which doesn't sound like a lot, and it's not, but it's still about $9.50 Canadian plus shipping. I think it's Alexander True. It's a cool card. I've got a bunch from this series. This one's not worth a ton. It is 35 of 125. It's in this cool case. I did mention the card is in like new condition. However, the case is in used condition. The case is a little bit scuffed up, but the card itself, like I said, like brand new. This is a really great one. Kirby for Super Nintendo. I'm going to grab this one right now. When I bought this lot, it came with a Nintendo and a bunch of games, but this game pretty much paid for everything. It is Kirby Dream Land 3, 156 USD. I had it listed for 190, and obviously on the high end of that, there's no case, no manual, anything with that. It's in really great shape there. There's like a little tiny nick out of the artwork there, but it's a really great game. So that one, happy to see that one get out of here actually. Like I said, 156 USD on that one. Next, another CED, so another one of these discs. This one, I think I got 20, put up on screen, I think like $21.60, something like that. You can see there's somebody's name crossed out there. Yeah, this one is in, if it was in better shape, this one would be a little more valuable, potentially closer to like $40, I think. But this one has some issues, obviously, with some Sharpie on the actual front here. Not great, and then it's got a little tear down here. But 21 bucks, you know, US, not too bad. 21.60. Next, we sold a Bible. This is the Good News Bible. I've had this one for a while. There's currently some totally soldiers holding it down. This one right here, I think I picked up at my local Goodwill. I was hoping, when I picked it up, I think there was comps closer to like $20 Canadian. I think I paid $3 for it. I wound up taking $10 US for this just to get it out of here, but happy with the sale. Let's get these orders out of here. All right, last round of orders going out here. Looks like we're gonna do 2 more eBay orders on this round. Echo, I think this is Echo the Dolphin, or Echo, it's for, yeah, Echo the Dolphin for Sega Genesis. I want to drop this Genesis game, Jurassic Park. Just going to slide this guy back in here. Back in business. Yep, here we go. This came from the attic buy here, where I got all the video games and all the toys and all the stuff, where I cleaned out an ex-coworker's attic. 10 bucks USD or 1080 USD on this one. This one also, I believe, came from the same attic buy, and it's a horror movie VHS. Let's just see if we can find it. Should be in here somewhere. Let's see. I think this is most of the VHSs here. I'm not seeing. Oh, right here. Night of the Living Dead. Actually, I had somebody ask me. I just put this on sale as well. For this one, we actually got a little bit better. $21.60. I had somebody ask me about the reels in here. Set this down just for a second. They wanted a close-up of these. I don't know if they thought maybe there was something going on inside of there. I don't see anything. But I mean, that's what they're asking. And then before I could send the picture back, somebody else bought it. So unfortunately for that person, you know, I didn't get to send it to them. But that was the issue. They wanted to see the reels. I wonder if they thought maybe there was something cloudy in there or something else going on. $21.60. Next, we're going to jump to Depop here. We sold it Oligo, I think that's how you say that, backpack. I picked this up at Goodwill for $3, and I think $3.49 is what these bags normally are priced at. Wasn't too long ago. It is a laptop bag. A lot of times this brand you'll see, you know, like a company brand or something. This one, there's no company brand on it at all. It's like brand new. It's in really good shape. I still didn't get a ton for it. $24 USD, not bad, but not crazy money or anything like that. Pretty decent flip though. Oops, dropping stuff. Looks like now we're going to women's jean 1 for a couple pairs of pants. Running out of room though. First ones are a pair of Old Navy pants. They're bright yellow, so they'll be easy to find. $18 USD. I think these ones are brand new with tags. I found these at the Goodwill bins. Typically don't grab Old Navy anything unless they're brand new with tags, and I'm paying like Goodwill bins prices, but $18 USD for these ones. And I just threw these ones up. I just moved these other American Eagle jeans from eBay.com to eBay. Sorry, I moved them from eBay.ca Canada. Jeez, I'm having a hard time talking. eBay Canada to US just this morning, and they sold right away. $10. That was an offer. It's one of these pairs of black ones in this bin. Could be in the number. Oh no, it's right here. They're very teared up and tattered looking. You can see distressed. This look, even now, you know, I still have jeans like this on currently. Maybe not quite like these ones, as these are women's jeans. This style is not super popular, but you know, it still does sell. I got $10 USD for this. I picked these out of the Goodwill bins. Like I said, I put them. I repriced them too. They were definitely, I think about $18 that I'm listed for. I think I relisted them around 16. Got a $10 offer, and I just decided to take it because we're gonna move them. We're gonna move them out of here, and yeah, let's ship this stuff out. Just wanted to touch base again about the return item. So I didn't obviously take a return. I guess I just did a full refund and let the person keep the item. You know, in my point of view, in this situation, was eBay really wasn't going to help me out a ton on a return, and the person's blatantly telling me, you know, it's missing. The CED, the disc, the video disc was missing from there. The inner part of the case is cracked, and the only thing that's any good was the outer part of the Star Wars case that was in question. So return, he's already telling me he's going to return something broken. It's not what I shipped out. I could have fought it a little bit more. This was just such a low value item for me that I didn't really want to. It was frustrating. As far as I went on this one though, as I reached out to eBay, said, hey, listen, this looks like garbage. You know, does this person have a bad rap with eBay? Essentially, they just said, try to offer them a partial refund, which I didn't want to do, because then you're kind of left open to feedback extortion there too, and eBay might cover you, they might not. In this case, I just felt like refunding the buyer was the right thing to do for me, even though it felt very scammy, and I hated the idea of having to refund on this one. It wasn't something that I really wanted to fight tooth and nail over. It didn't make that big of a difference to me in the long run. Anyway, let me know if you think I should have fought this one a little more, or you know, is this something you would have probably just said, whatever, refund the person, block the buyer. Hopefully I don't have to deal with them again, and move forward. Anyways, if you guys do like videos like this one, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. We'll see you guys soon.